it was finally time for my own show. I went to the stall to check if my assistants had everything under control. You will not move from the ironing table, come what may. Now to get ironed all the clothes. No, get them back. Please. What is wrong with you guys?
Call that guy back.
Didn't I Chiranjeev finish telling the clothes will be packed in plastic before they go? I do not want this kind of behavior. I'm telling you, I can see it already. You guys are pissing me off today. Have any clothes gone without the packet? The useless people I have in my office. You know, you guys are behaving like you've never done clothes and you've come from some jungle for my show. I wanted black bags for all these. Where are those black bags? How did you get these clothes? Here. Get those clothes back here right this second. You should have known that the bags are required. That means you should have found out the bags are here or not. You have to make sure the bags are here. Once again, is anybody getting me bags? Stupidest thing like bags we don't have here.
We're getting all the clothes ready, ironing it well so that they fall well on the models, and then we'll take it to the show area and along with the accessories, we'll go backstage, final touches, final finishing which has to be done so that nothing is, there's no goof-ups basically.
The makeup started in the morning as it was quite elaborate and nobody was willing to take any chances.
It's all coming together.
Right now we are in the middle of the makeup, which is the toughest part in my show right now. Because they have so much color, it's all shaded and 2-3 shades put together in one. MAC team has worked so hard. They've been rehearsing one after the other. I think they've done 3 rehearsals and now they're doing the main show. And the best part is they thought they will not finish on time, but I think they finished before time. Each look worked out very well and we managed to get the dramatic yet alluring space age look that we had set out to achieve.
We all look really futuristic and funky. It's something crazy and we wouldn't do it in our regular lives. So it's nice.
We're in the middle of getting the sets ready. We don't have much time left actually right now. We have to do rehearsals, we have to put the props. So there's a little bit of chaos, but I think everything should be okay. I like this. Especially when the audience is coming, it should be on.
Yes.
Yeah. You know, it looks like it's space, man.
Light को मत छुइए, please.
We got rolls of flex with a bold intergalactic print and put it on the ramp as a part of the backdrop. Vikram, this is not pulled from here, huh? Because I can see all the bubbles. Fluorescents around that side. Some you can put your small ones. And we have to make bunches like this of 2, 2, 3, 3. Yeah? Okay, girls who are wearing tights. Go. Next. You have to check if everything is okay. One of you can be inside, it's okay. Okay, you have to see if they're wearing everything because I will have only that much second to check them. Yeah? And finally, watch my very own catwalk show followed by opening of my first sports concept store in India.